When a customer gets hurt in your bowling center, the first 30 minutes determine whether you win or lose the lawsuit. Not the lawyers, not the insurance carrier, you and your staff in those first 30 minutes. Here's what you should do, and just as importantly, what you should absolutely not do. First action, get medical help. Call 911 if it's anything other than a minor injury. Please don't let pride or fear of looking bad slow you down. The single worst look in court is the video of staff standing around while a customer is injured. Get help fast. Second action, secure the area. Whatever caused the injury, isolate it. If it was a wet floor, cone it off. If it was a malfunctioning ball return, shut down the lane. If it was a fall in the parking lot, photograph the spot several times from different angles before anything moves. Third action, take photos. Lots of photos. Different angles, wide shot, close up. Photos of the customer if they consent, especially if there's no visible injury. Photos of what the customer was wearing. What were they doing at the time, especially their shoes, especially if it's a slip and fall situation. Fourth action, pull the surveillance footage immediately. Do not wait until tomorrow, pull it now. Save it and label it. We covered this earlier in the surveillance video. Fifth action, identify witnesses. Anyone within 50 feet, get names, phone numbers, a sentence or two of description of what they saw. Witnesses move on with their lives and disappear like a fart in the wind within minutes. Catch them before they leave the premises, or you probably won't get them back. Now the incident report itself. This is the document that will be subpoenaed if there is a lawsuit. Every single word matters. Write what happened. Write the facts, the time, place, what the customer was doing, what staff observed, witness statements. Write it in the customer's words if they describe it to you. Write your own observations. Do not write opinions. Do not write that the floor was wet because of a leaky cooler unless you know that is a confirmed and documented fact. Do not write that the customer was drunk unless you've served them and counted the drinks. And if that happened, shame on you for getting them drunk. Do not write apologies into the report. The phrase, "I am sorry this happened," is human and decent in person, but in writing, it can be argued as an admission of guilt. Don't speculate about cause. The customer says they tripped. Write that they said they tripped. Do not write that the floor mat was loose unless the floor mat was actually loose and you can prove that demonstrably. Speculation in an incident report becomes the plaintiff's case for you. Do not promise anything. Do not promise to pay medical bills. Don't promise to refund anything. Don't promise to call insurance for them. Promises in writing become contracts in court in many states across the country. Sixth action, notify your insurance agent or broker the very same day, not the same week, the same day. Even if the injury seems minor, carriers have notification requirements in their policy, and late notice can void your coverage on serious claims. Agents and brokers have seen this play out. They know what to do next. 7, do not contact the customer afterward unless your broker or attorney instructs you to. Well-meaning follow-up calls, especially apologies, get repeated in depositions and used against you. One more thing, train your staff on this before it happens, not in a memo or an email, in a real practice run. You need to be mock trialing this with your team. Run an incident drill at least once a year, if not twice a year. Pick a manager, pick a situation, walk through it every step. Make sure your people know what to do. The first time your staff ever does this should not be when it counts for real. The incident report is not paperwork. It is the foundation of your defense. Build it that way every time, even when you think the injury is nothing. If your insurance agent isn't talking with you about these topics, you may want to hire a professional who empowers you to make smarter decisions about your insurance. RiskWell is proud to be endorsed by the BPAA as an insurance partner for members across the country. Check the link below to connect with us, or you can call our office at 469-678-8001. Talk soon.